What's going on, everybody? I wanted to do a quick demo today of this jumbo neon smoke ball by Winda Fireworks. This thing is huge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to light a few of these and then I'm going to take it apart for you. We can go ahead and see what they did, what they put inside. So I think it'll be cool. Let's start out with the demo. And before I go, these were $1.99 a piece. So anyway, here's the demo. All right, let's do the blue one. Wow. Looks pretty cool. All right, so you see what it does. Pretty cool little demo. These are nice. I don't know if they're worth $1.99 a piece. It's more of a gimmick in my opinion, but let's just see what they did. And I also got my scale here so I can weigh the compound, or whatever you call it. And then I also have these smaller smoke balls. My favorite brand, by the way. Well, not Black Cat's my favorite brand, but smoke balls. These are my favorite smoke balls. If you ever see these, you should definitely check them out. The Black Cat color smoke ball. All right, on to the jumbo neon. Let's see what they did. I almost wonder if there's like a tube in here and they just wrapped it in a ball or something. I guess we'll have to see. Actually, you know what? I just forgot I want to put gloves on. All right, there we go. I got my extra small gloves on for my extra large hands, and almost can't even move my fingers in these things. Should probably invest in a larger pair here, but anyway, let's get on to the video. See if I can open these out. These things are so messy. I did not want my hands to be green for a week. Wow, that's pretty tough to cut. Come on. There we go. Here we go. I knew it. There it is. There's your gimmick shell. Completely empty. It's got just a normal smoke bomb in it, of course. That's so funny. Well, all right. Well, let's see how much composition they put in here compared to those smaller ones, which I'll open next. But that is so funny. That's such a gimmick. Most fireworks, anyway. You can't expect much. So this is green. There it is. There's your green jumbo neon smoke ball gimmick. Ooh, this is gonna be tough. Oh, well, that made it easy. It just fell right on out. Interesting. Alright, let's see what this weighs. 24.9. And I got a little bit on the table, so 25 grams of smoke. Little tube for this entire ball. Oh gosh. Oh, 25.1. Yeah, my scale sucks. I bought it at Harbor Freight for like $4, so. Alright, up next, let's compare it to these regular smoke balls here. Probably just do the white ones. The white ones actually seem like they have the most in them, so. I don't know how I'm going to cut this open. It's definitely clay. I'm not sure this is going to work. Alright. Alrighty, let's redo this. And a normal smoke bomb has 2 grams on the dot. So, yeah, that's interesting. That might almost be worth it. 12.5 grams, or 12.5 smoke balls equals 1 large smoke ball. Huh. Cool. Wonder what happens if I just light this by itself. Let's go try it. Think anything will happen? I don't know, let's go see. Alright guys, so we're outside and we're gonna see what happens when you light the smoke ball by itself. Wow. I actually think that was way cooler than just lighting it the way you're supposed to. Interesting. Alright, so there you have it guys. That's what happens when you light the smoke ball by itself. That was pretty sweet actually. I think I have a couple more of these. I might just take them apart and do it that way. As for the smoke ball goes, I mean the price, I think for $1.99 it's kind of a stretch. I'd probably rather pay $1. If these were $1 each, I'd totally buy one because you can buy those long sticked ones for $1 and I think they're about the same. So I guess for the big ball you're paying an extra $1 for the gimmick, but other than that, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's just a smoke bomb. So anyway guys, stay tuned for more. Subscribe if you like what you see. I got lots of videos coming up, and until next time, take it easy.